Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that a lot of you have been asking me recently. Does Bask Bank have mobile deposits? Before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what Bask Bank is. It's a digital bank that offers high-interest savings accounts, CDs, and a rewards program that earns you American Airlines AAdvantage miles. One of the things that makes Bask Bank stand out is that they don't have any physical branches, which means that you can do all of your banking online or on your mobile device. So, back to the question at hand, does Bask Bank have mobile deposits? The answer is yes. In fact, they have a pretty robust mobile deposit feature that makes it easy to deposit checks from your smartphone. Here's how it works. Download the Bask Bank app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your account. Tap on the Mobile Deposit button. Take a picture of the front and back of your check. Enter the amount of the check. Sign the check electronically. Submit your deposit. Once you've submitted your deposit, Bask Bank will review it and typically credit your account within 1 to 2 business days. There are a few things to keep in mind when using mobile deposit. You must be the payee on the check. The check must be endorsed on the back. The check must be in good condition. You can only deposit checks up to $5,000 at a time. If you have any questions about using mobile deposit, you can always contact Bask Bank customer support. Overall, I think that mobile deposit is a great feature that makes it easy to bank on the go. If you're looking for a digital bank that offers a variety of features, including mobile deposit, then I would definitely recommend checking out Bask Bank. So, there you have it. Bask Bank does have mobile deposits. I hope this information is helpful. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.